friends, Baryta iod, Calcadia iod are two other remedies which can work really well for cystic acne. In Baryta iod, in Calcadia iod, all iodum group of remedies, my friends, work really well for cystic acne. Calcadia sulf is the top one, as I shared with you. But Baryta iod and Calcadia iod can work really well, especially if you have either a Baryta or a Calcadia constitution. My friends, another remedy which I'd like to share with you and which you can see in this slide is Asterias rubens. My friends, Asterias rubens is like the younger sister of Thuya. So if you think of Thuya and Asterias rubens, both are sister remedies. Both are left-sided, both are flabby and obese, both are psychotic. And in case of Asterias rubens, what is interesting, think of a young girl, 15-year-old, 16-year-old, who is obese, who is plumpy. And with that obesity, with the onset of menarche, she is having pimples, she is having acne developing. So at adolescence, during puberty, there is development of acne, especially in young girls. My friends, again, another aspect which I'd like to share with you is, I'm sure all of you are practitioners, and believe me or not, and I'm sure you'll agree with me, that all of us do have our favorite set of remedies, including me. And very many times we feel threatened, we feel uncomfortable to prescribe any remedy which is out of our comfort zone, because we have been prescribing those remedies quite often and have had good success rates with it. But very many times, think of those cases of acne in a young girl, in a plumpy, obese 15-year-old where you have prescribed Calcadia cup, or you have prescribed a pulsatilla, or you have prescribed a graphitis for acne. It has helped with other features, but the acne is unfortunately stands still. And in very many of those cases, my friends, put a note wherever you have notes for calc, wherever you have notes for graphitis, wherever you have notes for thyroidinum, or wherever you have notes for pulsatilla. That in those young adolescent girls, when your well-selected remedies have failed for acne, you can think of Asterias rubens. And in that way, you can incorporate this wonderful remedy in your practice. If you look in Borichia's Medica under the face or skin section, you'll see it's mentioned, pimples at adolescence. Unfortunately, many of us don't prescribe it. But I've had very good success. Again, the remedies or the clinical tips which I'm sharing with you, it's not my success story, but what I've learned over the last 100 years, and my family has shared that with me. So I'm sure those will help you in those cases where having failures. So pimples at adolescence, acne at adolescence, in young, obese, plumpy girls, in those 2-year constitutions, where you have prescribed the constitutional remedies like calc, like pulse, like graphitis, but still there is not yielding any results, try Asterias rubens. And it will really, really help you.